Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips 1.5 litre electric kettle. The model number for this particular kettle is HD9306 by 06. You will see there is an image of the kettle right on top of the box. This is what it looks like. This is good enough for serving 3 cups of tea as it's given over here. Not just that, it's a 1.5 litre kettle. It's part of the daily collection from Philips Homeware. And this is the model number, as I mentioned earlier, HD9306. Over here it's written safe and easy boiling, food grade stainless steel material. We'll obviously take a look at all of that. And that's more or less all the information. We have some specifications mentioned here. It says safe boiling with food grade SUS304 body and inner lid. Strix thermostat for precise temperature control. One touch spring lid helps to avoid scalding, and cord winder for easy storage. Anything else? No, this is it. I will open this box now and show you what's inside. And there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. First up we have some documents. This is the user manual for the Philips HD9303 and 9306. This is the 9306. And we have a lot of information here in different languages. So all the technical specifications, all the tips on what to do, what not to do, how to store, how to replace, recycle, troubleshooting, etc. All of that is mentioned here. It's a very important document. You should read it at least once. This is the important information leaflet for the HD9306. Some more technical information is given over here. This is basically tells you about safety precautions and all the warnings. This is electrical equipment, so you should exercise a little bit of caution when you're using it. And we finally have the warranty leaflet from Philips. It's also an important document. Now let's take a look at the kettle. This is the HD9306. This is what it looks like. So I'll show you the base first. This, by the way, the most of it is stainless steel. As you can see, this is food grade stainless steel, but the rest is ABS plastic. Same with the base here. This is the heating base. You will notice there's a heating coil inside. I don't know if you can see. There's a heating coil inside. And it is also made out of ABS plastic, which is solid ABS plastic. This is not flimsy plastic. Underneath, this is where you can store your cord. This is a cord winder. As you will notice, there's already a bit of cord inside. So let me just take that out. So there you go. Now you will notice that this cord is much longer. So you can wind the cord around like this when it's not in use, or when you want to store it inside, say, cabinet. So you can wind it like so. Just a minute. There you go. At the end you have this pretty thick cable. This is a PVC cable and a 3-pin jack on one end. This is a 15 ampere 3-pin jack, so make sure you have a 15 ampere power socket when you're using this. Let's take a look at the kettle now. So this is the Philips HD9306 1.5 litre electric kettle. The variant is black. This side is made out of plastic. It has a matte black finish. It has a very sleek design to it. This is of course food grade stainless steel. This is SUS304 stainless steel. This is not just for exterior but also for interior. You open this lid by pressing on this one touch button over here. This is a one touch spring lid. So you open it like so, and interior you'll also notice the body. It's made out of stainless steel, and there's also a marker over here. So the highest mark is 1.5 liters. I don't know if you can see. There you go. It's 1.5 liters. Okay, so this is the power on off button. So once you have put water inside, you connect it to a power source and you click this on. Once the water is heated, vapor will start coming out of it. Vapor or steam will start coming out of it, and this will switch off automatically, and this light will initially glow and then switch off as well once heating is done. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips 1.5 litre electric kettle. Model number is HD9306 by 06. Thank you for watching.